Hello, and welcome back to Stone's Daily English, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. I am Sara, and I am very happy you are here. In this episode, I speak slowly. I use clear, simple words, and I repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice, practice your speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, taking care of a sick child. I want to tell you about my son, Miles. He is not feeling well today. Why is it important to practice this? It is important because your family is real. Sometimes your children get sick. You need to know how to describe their symptoms and how to help them. When you practice these sentences, you are practicing real English, useful English. So, let's begin. One real sentence at a time. My son Miles is not feeling well today. He has a cold. He woke up and said, "Mom, I feel sick." I touch his forehead. He feels very hot. My little boy has a fever. He has a sore throat, too. He says it hurts when I swallow. Miles is sneezing a lot. He has a runny nose. He feels very weak and tired. He doesn't want to play. He just wants to rest. I tell him, "Miles, you should stay in bed." I give him a warm blanket. He has a dry cough. I will make him some hot soup. Drink plenty of water, my dear. I think we should see a doctor. That was the first part of our story about Miles at home. Now, let's pause and practice what we learned. Speaking out loud is the best way to build your confidence. I will say 5 important sentences from the first part. Please repeat after me slowly and clearly. Sentence number 1. My son Miles is not feeling well today. Sentence number 2. He has a fever and a sore throat. Sentence number 3. He doesn't want to play. He just wants to rest. Sentence number 4. I will make him some hot soup. Sentence number 5. I think we should see a doctor. Great job! Your pronunciation is getting better every day. If you are enjoying this story and if this lesson is helpful, please hit the like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe to Stone's Daily English. When you subscribe, you help me to create more videos just for you. Thank you for your support. Now, are you ready? Let's go to the doctor's office for the second part of our story. We are at the doctor's office now. The doctor is very kind to Miles. The doctor asks, "How can I help you today?" I say, "My son has been sick for 2 days." The doctor checks his temperature. He listens to his breathing with a stethoscope. "Take a deep breath, Miles," the doctor says. Open your mouth and say, ah. The doctor looks at his throat. His throat is very red and inflamed. Miles asks, "Do I need a shot?" The doctor smiles. No, no shot today. It is just a virus. He needs rest and some medicine. The doctor writes a prescription for my son. He will feel better in a few days. Well done! We have finished the second part of our story at the clinic. Now let's practice the most important sentences from Miles' visit to the doctor. Remember, listen first, then repeat after me out loud. Let's begin. Sentence number 1. The doctor checks his temperature. Sentence number 2. Open your mouth and say, ah. Sentence number 3. It is just a virus. He needs rest. Sentence number 4. The doctor writes a prescription for my son. Sentence number 5. He will feel better in a few days. You are doing a great job. Thank you for supporting us. If this lesson is helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Now let's move to the final part, the pharmacy and recovery. I go to the pharmacy to pick up the medicine. The pharmacist gives me a bottle of syrup. How should he take this? I ask. Take 1 teaspoon twice a day. Give it to him after he eats. Does it have any side effects? It might make him feel sleepy. Make sure he drinks a lot of fluids. I pay for the medicine and go home. I give the syrup to Miles. Here's your medicine. It will help you. Miles stays in bed all afternoon. He sleeps a lot to recover. Every day he feels a little better. His fever is gone now. He says, "Thank you, Mom, for taking care of me. I am so happy. My son is healthy again." Excellent work. We have finished the final part of our story. Miles is feeling much better now. Let's practice the last 5 sentences together. Listen and repeat. Sentence number 1. I go to the pharmacy to pick up the medicine. Sentence number 2. Take 1 teaspoon twice a day. Sentence number 3. Drink plenty of fluids to recover. Sentence number 4. Every day he feels a little better. Sentence number 5. I'm so happy my son is healthy again. Great work today. You listened to a story, you practiced new words, and you repeated full sentences. This is real progress. You are not just studying English, you are living in English, one sentence at a time. Keep practicing your routine until it feels easy. Come back to this episode and shadow my voice again. This is Stone's Daily English. I am Sara, and I am proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. It is very important to talk about your family. Family is the heart of our lives. When my son, Miles, is sick, I feel worried, but I use my English to talk to the doctor. I use my English to buy medicine. You can do this too. Even if you are a beginner, don't be afraid. Using English in daily life makes you stronger. One sentence today, two sentences tomorrow. This is how you learn. I am so proud of you for practicing with me today. Now, I have a question for you. I want to hear your story. What do you do when you have a cold? Do you drink hot tea? Do you eat soup? Or do you just sleep all day? Please write one simple sentence in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. I will read your comments and I will answer you. This is a great way to practice your writing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.